Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add Featured Collection tab on Shopify. This section will allow you to display products from multiple collections inside organized tabs, helping customers explore more products without leaving the page. And the first thing you have to do is open up your Shopify dashboard. Then you have to click on this online store option from the left sidebar. After that, click on this three-dot icon, and from there, click on Edit Code. Before editing your theme code, it is a good idea to duplicate your current theme so you have a backup in case you need to restore the original version. Then it's going to open up this online editor. After that, you have to click on this Sections from this left sidebar. Then you have to click on this New File icon in the top right corner. Or you can also press Ctrl+N on your keyboard to create new file. The Sections folder contains the files used to create customizable content areas inside the Shopify theme editor. Then you have to name this file as Collection Featured tab. And then at the last, you have to add full stop and type liquid. Then press enter. Make sure you enter the file name correctly because the liquid extension tells Shopify that this is a theme section file. And once this file is created, then you have to copy the code from the description of this video and paste that code here. Once you have pasted the code, click on this Save button in the top right corner. Copy the complete code without missing any opening or closing tags, because incomplete code may prevent the section from appearing or cause an error inside the theme editor. And once the file is saved, you can close this window and go back to the Shopify dashboard. Confirm that Shopify shows the file as successfully saved before leaving the code editor. Then, inside the online store screen, this time, you have to click on this button, Edit Theme. Then, it's going to open up your theme editor. The theme editor allows you to add, remove, arrange, and preview sections without making additional code changes. After that, you have to find the position or the area where you want to add your featured collection. So, I want to add the featured collection right below this hero section. Placing it below the hero section can work well because visitors will see your main message first and then immediately discover your featured product categories. So, what I will do is click on this Add Section button from the left sidebar. And then, at the top, you will see this option, Universal Collection Tabs. Or, if you don't find it here, you can also search using this search bar and select from here. If the section does not appear, refresh the theme editor and confirm that the liquid file was created inside the correct sections folder. And once this section is created, you can drag and move this section to the top. You can place it anywhere on the page, depending on which collections you want customers to notice first. And once this section is created, then we have to change this default collection to our collection. So first, just simply click on this tab option. Then click on Select and select the collection that you want to add. Choose a collection that already contains active products with clear images, prices, and titles, so the tab looks complete and professional. So, for example, I will select this most discounted collection. Then it's going to display all the products from your collection. This type of collection can be useful for highlighting current deals and helping price-conscious customers quickly find discounted products. And if you want to change the next collection, just simply click on the second tab, and then click on Select, and then select the next collection, and your next collection will be added here. For example, you could use separate tabs for best sellers, new arrivals, most discounted, or different product categories. You can follow this step to create unlimited tabs in this section. And you can also change the collection title by going to the tab, and here you can enter your custom tab name, just like this. Keep your tab names short and easy to understand, so they remain readable on desktop and mobile screens. And if you want to add new tabs, just simply click on this Add Tab button, and your new tab will be created. After adding your tabs, preview each one to confirm that the correct collection and products appear. So, that's about it, how you can add Featured Collection tab in Shopify. Before publishing the changes, check the section on both desktop and mobile, test every tab, and click Save in the theme editor. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.